Have you ever looked at a field of clover or a garden pea climbing a trellis? They might seem ordinary, but they're part of a remarkable family, legumes. These plants have a superpower. They can pull nitrogen, a vital nutrient, straight from the air. Nitrogen is essential for all life, but most plants can't use it directly from the atmosphere. It's like being thirsty with water locked away. Plants need nitrogen in a usable form. Legumes have evolved a brilliant solution: nitrogen fixation. They fix atmospheric nitrogen, turning it into a form they and their neighbors can use. This makes legumes self-sufficient and allows them to enrich the soil around them. So, next time you see a beanstalk or a patch of alfalfa, remember the secret power in their roots. These plants are not just growing, they're performing a vital service. They act as tiny, green factories, enriching the world beneath our feet. Legumes are nature's own fertilizers, showing how life finds a way to thrive. This partnership between plant and bacterium is one of Earth's most important relationships, and it all starts with a tiny seed and a little bit of magic in the soil. The next time you see a legume, appreciate the invisible work happening underground. These plants are quietly supporting entire ecosystems. Their unique ability sets them apart in the plant kingdom. Legumes are the unsung heroes of fertile soils. Their magic is at the root of life's abundance. How do legumes perform this feat? The real magic happens underground, thanks to a secret partnership. Legumes can't fix nitrogen alone. They need help from rhizobia bacteria. These bacteria are common in soil, but only become powerful when they team up with legumes. It's a classic case of symbiosis. Both partners benefit. The plant gets nitrogen, the bacteria get a safe home and food. The legume's roots send out chemical signals, inviting the right rhizobia. The bacteria respond, moving toward the roots in a silent chemical conversation. Once they arrive, the plant allows only these specific bacteria inside. This trust forms the foundation of their relationship. The bacteria attach to root hairs, and the plant welcomes them in. Together, they achieve what neither could do alone. This partnership is a marvel of natural engineering. It's a carefully choreographed dance beneath our feet. The plant and bacteria communicate, collaborate, and transform the soil. This relationship is essential for healthy ecosystems. It's a win-win that sustains life above and below ground. The process is precise. Only the right bacteria are allowed in. This partnership is the engine of soil fertility. It's a hidden world, but its impact is everywhere. Legumes and rhizobia are nature's quiet collaborators. Their teamwork powers the green world we depend on. Once inside the root, rhizobia bacteria get a custom-built home, the root nodule. These nodules are more than lumps. They're specialized factories for nitrogen fixation. Millions of bacteria live inside each nodule, fed by sugars from the plant. The plant's plumbing system delivers food to the nodules and carries fixed nitrogen back up. The process needs energy and a low oxygen environment. Here's the trick. The plant produces leg hemoglobin, a protein that controls oxygen levels. Leg hemoglobin acts like an oxygen sponge, keeping just enough for the bacteria to breathe, but not enough to harm the nitrogenase enzyme. This creates the perfect microenvironment for nitrogen fixation. Slice open a healthy nodule, and you'll see its pinkish color, thanks to leg hemoglobin. The precision of this system is breathtaking. It's a masterpiece of natural design, all on a microscopic scale. The plant and bacteria work in perfect harmony. Together, they turn air into food for the plant. This partnership is essential for soil health. It's a tiny world with a huge impact. Inside the nodules, the main event begins. Bacteria capture and convert nitrogen from the air. The nitrogenase enzyme, powered by plant sugars, breaks the tough triple bond of nitrogen gas. Unlike industrial processes, these bacteria do it at room temperature inside a root. The enzyme adds hydrogen to nitrogen, step by step, until it forms ammonia. Ammonia is the first usable form of nitrogen for the plant. The plant quickly absorbs it and turns it into amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. These proteins are essential for every part of the plant's growth. Nitrogen that was once locked in the air is now part of the plant's structure. This process is one of the most important on Earth. Without it, our world would be far less green and fertile. The partnership between plant and bacteria unlocks growth for all. The cycle continues as plants use and share this fixed nitrogen. It's a microscopic miracle with global consequences, all thanks to the invisible teamwork beneath our feet. Nitrogen fixation is about turning atmospheric gas into solid, usable nutrients. This process is vital for entire ecosystems. In barren landscapes, hardy legumes are often the first to arrive. They fix nitrogen, enrich the soil, and pave the way for other plants. When legumes die, their stored nitrogen returns to the soil, feeding future growth. In meadows, clovers and vetches help grasses thrive by sharing fixed nitrogen. Grazing animals eat legumes, moving nitrogen up the food chain. Their waste returns nitrogen to the soil, completing the cycle. This self-sustaining loop fuels the productivity of grasslands and forests. Legumes fix more nitrogen globally than any other source, including fertilizers. They are the quiet heroes maintaining soil fertility. Without them, our world would be far less vibrant. Their silent work underpins life on Earth. Legumes aren't rare, they're everywhere, including on your plate. Beans, peas, lentils, and chickpeas are all legumes, packed with protein and soil-enriching power. Their nitrogen comes from the air, thanks to their bacterial partners. Peanuts, often mistaken for nuts, are actually legumes and excellent nitrogen fixers. Soybeans, alfalfa, and clover are also part of this family, vital for food and animal feed. These plants improve soil health wherever they grow. Planting beans in your garden boosts next year's crops. Eating legumes connects you to this ancient natural cycle. Legumes are a cornerstone of sustainable agriculture and healthy diets. Their diversity is astonishing, from garden peas to global staples like soy. By growing and eating legumes, you support soil fertility. They're a simple way to harness nature's power at home. Next time you shop or garden, notice the legumes all around you. They're more than food, they're soil builders. Every bite is a link in the cycle of life. For centuries, farmers have known legumes make soil better. This led to crop rotation. Planting legumes after demanding crops like wheat restores soil nitrogen. Legume roots and leftover plant matter are plowed back, releasing nitrogen as they decompose. This green manure reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers and saves money. It also improves soil structure and water retention. Intercropping, growing legumes between other crops, shares nitrogen and suppresses weeds. These practices create more resilient, productive farms. Legumes are the farmer's natural fertilizer and soil protector. Their power is as relevant today as ever. Legumes offer more than farm benefits. They help the whole planet. Synthetic fertilizers require huge energy and cause pollution, but legumes provide a natural alternative. Their slow-release nitrogen reduces runoff and protects waterways from pollution. Using legumes means less fossil fuel use and fewer greenhouse gas emissions. Crop rotation and intercropping with legumes build healthy, fertile soil for the long term. Legumes help us feed ourselves sustainably, working with nature. They protect water, reduce pollution, and cut our carbon footprint. These humble plants hold a key to a healthier planet. Nature's solutions are often the most elegant. Legumes show us how to thrive in harmony with the earth. We've explored the hidden world of legumes and their bacterial partners. Their partnership is a model of natural cooperation and sustainability. Nitrogen fixation is the engine of fertility, allowing life to flourish. Farmers mimic this cycle with crop rotation and green manures. The benefits ripple out: healthier soil, less pollution, and nutritious food. It's a system where everyone wins: plants, bacteria, farmers, the environment, and us. The health of the soil connects to the health of the planet and ourselves. Next time you see a clover or eat a bean, remember the magic beneath the surface. These plants are active participants in the cycle of life. They quietly capture the sky and feed the earth. The never-ending cycle continues, powered by a tiny bacterium and a humble bean.